Hello my lovely people. Today we are going to talk about sleep and why it is most important factor in our health. Sleep is important because it helps your body and mind to rest and recharge. While you sleep, your body is able to repair itself and maintain proper function. Your brain is also able to consolidate memories and process information. Lack of sleep can have negative effects on your physical and mental health, including an increased risk of developing conditions such as obesity, diabetes, and heart disease. It can also affect your mood and cognitive function, making it more difficult to concentrate and perform daily tasks. While now you might think that how many hours of sleep is best. The recommended amount of sleep for adults is 7 to 9 hours per night. However, the optimal amount of sleep can vary depending on the individual and may be affected by factors such as age, lifestyle, and overall health. Some people may feel well rested with as little as 6 hours of sleep, while others may need up to 10 hours in order to feel fully rested and alert. It is generally recommended to aim for the 7 to 9 hour range, and to pay attention to how you feel during the day, as a guide to whether you are getting enough sleep. If you consistently feel tired and have difficulty concentrating during the day, it may be a sign that you are not getting enough sleep. Well, that's all for this. See you soon in next video.